In this tutorial, I'm going to show you an amazing applications that will help you bring your Instagram from looking like this to this. And it's so crucial to know them as PMU artists. Let's dive in. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Leslie. I'm founder of beauty/educational company, where we help scale PMU skills and income for students all over the world. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you these amazing applications and explain the functions of each. So I will first start with photo editing applications, then applications that can do collages, logo, and different interesting stickers. And then we're going to go into video editing and video Photoshop. So the first applications that I love to use for editing clients' photos are these. The Beauty Plus application will help you to fix your client's skin. It will remove the pores, acne, everything just to make the skin glowing. It can add the highlights, fix the eyes, make them more brighter. It can also add some makeup to the lips, the blush. It can also add the contour, basically beautify the face. Now, the Lightroom application I would use if I want to remove the redness from eyebrows or from the skin, if I want to reduce the redness. So I would start with Lightroom. I would remove the redness, and then I would transfer the photo to the Beauty Plus to finish my editing. Then alternative to Beauty Plus is Facetune. It also has similar function and also can achieve similar results. And the same as Made 2. If you have Made 2, you can also use this application to edit clients' skin. Now for photo collages, I use InShot or PixArt. So PixArt is the application where you can do this smooth transitions. You can add photo on top of the photo, use eraser tool with soft opacity to remove unwanted areas, and you can blend these photos together. So PixArt is really great for that. Now Leto font is really great to add logo on top. It's also great for the graphics. Alternative to Leto fonts is Canva. But for me, I like to use Leto because I can easily copy something and paste it to Instagram stories. It's also very handy to use overall. Using Leto fonts, I can reduce opacity of the logo. I can add the shade under the logo. I can play around with the layers, and there's just so many fonts there as well, and different stickers. Then another application is InPreview. So InPreview is an application that you can pre-plan your Instagram profile. So you can upload their photos and see how they will look at Instagram profile. Now for the video, I use CapCut to edit videos and add my captions. I also use InShot for beautiful transition video over video, but I believe you can do that as well in CapCut. I use Made 2 to video shop the skin. It's really great. And also the same Persona, it also does the same thing for the skin and video retouching. So these are pretty useful applications that I use. If you ask me, are they paid or free? You can use the free versions of them. I believe if you click on something over the limit, it will ask you to pay, or there are some functions within this application that are paid that you just don't click on them and use the other functions. But by seeing this video, you can decide for yourself which applications you want to use and invest in. And I believe they are not as expensive if you pay for them per year, but I'm not sure, it was a long time ago I purchased them. So if you have any questions, you can leave them under this video. You can also go to my website to check out free resources, or if you want to enroll in courses with me. I have also courses available on my website, beautyslash.com. You can check out brow shaping, ombre brows, hair stroke, everything, you name it, lip blush, and etc. All the really good quality courses out there. And again, I will see you on my next tutorials at Beauty Slash.